After creating classes in Google Classroom, how to assign work. Here there are two classes, 9AB and 12AB. We are going to assign a quiz assignment to 9th class. So click it. Click the classroom 9th. Then we shall have an interface like this. Then go to classwork. Then there will be plus create button. So click it. Go to the second option, that is quiz assignment. So click it. Then we shall have an interface like this. Here we can give title to the quiz. Some instructions also we can give. So let us type the title, say quiz number system. Also let us give some instructions, that is optional. So okay, each question carries 1 point or 1 mark, whatever maybe we can give like that. Then another instruction, no negative marking for wrong responses, like that. It is optional. If you want, we can type in, otherwise we can leave. Now there are 3 options. Already a blank quiz ready-made template is there. Otherwise you can go for create option. So let us click blank quiz. Then we shall have an interface like this. So here we can change the title blank quiz into quiz number system. Again, here also we can change the title, say quiz number system. Then we can give some quiz number 1, quiz number 1, that is given for 9th class mathematics, say date 25/06, something like that. Then now we can go to customize theme button. Just click it. Then we can have choose image. Then for work and school we can choose some relevant image. For example, click this one and insert. Then that image will be pasted. And this is also optional. If you want, we can do that way. Now go to the untitled question. Then multiple choice you change it to short answer like this. And here you type in name. Here we are requiring the name of the student. So type in name and then make it a required question, that is compulsory question. Then again add another question, that is for class. It can be a multiple choice question. We can type in the first option, say 9th A, and second option, say 9th B, and ensure that other option get cancelled like this. Please cancel the other option. Then that also make it as a required question, means compulsory. And a third option, third question, that is roll number. As a third question, roll number. This is a short answer type of question. Choose their short answer. Then it's also a required question. We can make any question required, that is compulsory or optional, like this. Okay, this is a required question and this is also a required question. Now we can type in question. Again, plus button, click it, add question button. Then type in a question. We can type the question here. The decimal form of an irrational number is, this is our question and this is a multiple choice question, or we can design as we please. Then options we are giving. 4 options we will type in. Option 2, option 3, option 2 non-terminating but recurring, option 3 recurring, and fourth option we can give non-terminating and non-recurring. And ensure that the other option, the fifth option, please cancel it using that multiplication symbol. Please cancel it, remove it, because here our planning is to keep only 4 options. Okay, now click the answer key. Then we shall have an interface like this. There are 0 points, we have to make it 1 point. Then also we have to tick the correct option. Here the fourth option is the correct one, so click it. Then tick mark will be there. Then we can go to then add feedback. Please click it. For incorrect answer, we can give the feedback as we please. The decimal form of any rational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. Example also we can give so that students can have self-learning. Then for correct answers, we can give a feedback, that is a congrats, keep it up, something like that. Then please save it. Like that we can proceed. We can add questions, multiple choice or any other type questions we can. Then we can make any question as a record, that is compulsory or optional. Then go to responses. Then here ensure that accepting responses is on. It should not be like this. Okay, accepting responses. Then there is a green plus button. Please click it. Then 2 options are there. We shall go with the first option. Create a new spreadsheet. Create a new spreadsheet. Create. Then it will be open. We get an Excel sheet. The ready-made titles, time stamp, score, name, class, roll number, and all the questions as the title. Then this page we need not share. Please close it. Then we shall go back to the page where we created quiz program. Now we have to assign this quiz program to the students, and we have to assign it to the student. We already made it, now we have to assign it. Change there the grade, this 10 questions or 10 points. Any due date we can fix. Click there. Then click the calendar option will come, and then take say June 30, something like this. Then topic number system we can. Okay. Then points, turning everything over. All students we are assigning this quiz to all. Assign. Assign. Now our work is over, means we have assigned the quiz to the student. Now let us have a view from student side. A student will receive a form like this, where he or she has to type in name, roll number, class, etc. Okay, suppose the name of the student is say something. This is a student doing part, that is roll number student is typing. Then clicking all the correct options as he or she chooses. Okay, like that. Then finally submit. Then student can view the score. Just click that view score button. Then student can see their score there, 10 on 10, and then their options. Then let us continue the view from teacher side. Let us go back to that page where we left. Then go to that 9 dot. Just click it so that we can go to Google Drive. Then in the Google Drive, we can see our classroom folder. Just click it. That is Google Classroom folder. Just click it. Then there are two classes 9AB. Click it. Then you can see our Excel sheet is there. Then you can see that ready-made automatically filled all the timestamp score is there for every student whoever submitted the answer. Then name is there, class is there, roll numbers there. Then all the question and the answers filled in by the students also there, so that we can easily understand which student performed nicely or which student is slow learner, something like that. So we can get everything like this. Thank you.